Hello students, welcome to NM Tutorials. I'm Nitin Mathur, your teacher. Today we will discuss about the concept of searching. What is the meaning of searching? What is searching? Searching means to find out any value in a sequential data types. In Python we have three sequential data types: list, tuples and string. List, tuples and string. So in these three sequential data types, if I want to search any value, so I can use in the concept of searching. Other than these three sequential data types, we can use mapping type, that is dictionaries, right? So we can search the value in a dictionary also, or if we are using numpy, so in a numpy array we can use these techniques, right? The methods of searching. So there are two methods of searching. One is linear search method and second is binary search method. Now what is linear search method? So first we will discuss about the linear search method, but first we understand the concept of sequential data types, sequence data types in Python. Say suppose we have a list. In a list we have 10 elements. So every element has its own unique identification code. To access that particular element, there are unique identification code which is called index number, which is generated by the Python itself. It's an internal process. We don't need to generate these index numbers. Every index number identifies a element of a list or a tuple or a string. The index numbers are always starts from 0. That means the very first element of the list is 0 index number, and so on. And the last element of the list is, the index number is total number of elements minus 1. Total number of elements minus 1. For example, if we have a 10 elements, then the first element is 0 index number and the last element has 9 index number 9, right? Now, so first we will discuss the concept of linear search, right? Now the concept of linear search, the linear search uses the concept of traversal. Now what is the meaning of traversal? Traversal means to access each and every element of the list or array, right? Traversal means to access each and every element of the list or array. In linear search, the value to be searched is compared with each element of the list or array. Every element, जितने elements हर एक से compare होगा, right? Until the value is found or comparison reached at end of list, right? यानी कि जब तक value find नहीं हो जाती या जो comparison है हमारा वो end of list पे नहीं आ जाता. For example, we have these 10 values in a list and these are the index numbers 0 to 9. 10 values are there and I want to search 12. So this 12 is compared with each element of the list: 23, 43, 3, 28, 13, 33, right? Until it finds the value, right? So it will compare every element of the list, right? Okay, until it compares the, until it finds the value, right? Now after 33, when it moves to the index number 6, then it will find the value, right? So when it finds the value, then it will show us the message that value is found, right? The program should show the value, the message that value is found, right? And so position, or if you want to display the position, it's okay. Otherwise, if you want to display the message only, then it's okay. But say suppose if the value is not found, then what? If the value is not found, then what? So suppose if I want to find out the 10 and 10 is not in the list, in this list I don't have 10, so it will compare till end of the list. It will compare all the values till end of the list, and at the end, after end of the list, it should show the message value not found. It should show the message value not found, right? So this is the basic concept of linear search. Now, how to implement this concept? How to implement this concept in a program, in a Python program? So let's move to the programming part. Now, we will start with the linear search logic, right? Now, first I have to define a list. LST is equals to chaliye, these 10 values. I have these 10 values in a list. Now, the very first thing, I have to accept the number from the user which I want to search. The number which I want to search, I have to accept that number from the user. So, num is equals to input enter number to be searched. Right? Now, after this, I have to traverse the list to find out the entered number. I have to traverse the list to find out the entered number. So, how to traverse the list? For I in LST. So, it will, this loop will access each and every element of the list, right? And I have to move until I found the value or value not found, right? Until value is found or searched reached at end of the list. So, now press enter, and now I have to check the condition, right? In traversal, I have to check the condition whether the given value is equivalent to the searched value. So, if I is double equals to num. Why we use double equals to? Double equals to is a comparison operator, right? Double equals to is a comparison operator. Now, if num is if I double equals to num, and now if it's true, if this condition is true beta, then print value found, right? I've given a message value found. Now, if value is not found, then else print value is not found. Value is not found. Sorry. Now, so if the value is not found, then we have to move to the else part, and then we have to print else print value is not found. Now, right, traversal is over, it's over. So, shall we execute this thing? Okay, we'll check whether it will work or not, whether it will give me an error. It's not mandatory कि it will give me a syntax error, it could give me a logical error also, right? So first we'll check, then we'll work out. Now, so first I'll run the program. Okay, I'll save the file with L search. Okay, no syntax error. Now enter the number to be searched. For example, I said 66. It should search 66. Okay, it shows me value is not found, value is not found, value is not found. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times value not found, then 1 time value found, and then again 4 times value not found. So what should I consider? Value is found or not? Then what should I do? I'm getting confused, nahi? Ki whether value is found or not. Now what should I do? I must write a code like कि भाई ऐसा कोड होना चाहिए ना कि भाई जो एक बार बताए कि ठीक है वैल्यू फाइंड आउट हुई या वैल्यू नहीं हुई. नाउ व्हाट शुड आई डू फॉर दैट? इट्स अ लॉजिकल एरर, राइट? दिस इज कॉल्ड अ लॉजिकल एरर कि भाई आई डोंट वांट दिस थिंग यार कि इतनी बार वो मुझे नॉट फाउंड दिखाए, फिर एक बार मुझे फाउंड दिखाए, फिर इतनी बार नॉट फाउंड दिखाए. सो सपोज अभी तो 10 ही एलिमेंट्स हैं, अगर यहाँ 100 एलिमेंट्स होते देन व्हाट, तब क्या होता? तो कितने एलिमेंट्स हम वर्कआउट करते, कहाँ तक मैं ढूंढता, राइट? So for that it should display the message only once, right? The program should display the message only once, right? Whether the value is found or not. Then for to do that, what should I do? In a program we have to implement a concept called flagging. We have to implement the concept of flagging. Flagging is nothing, it's just a small concept or a small logic. What it does, I'll use a variable, for example x. It's not mandatory that I have to use a flag variable, right? It is not mandatory कि to implement the concept of flagging I have to use a flag variable, right? It's not mandatory. So I'll use x. So x is equals to say suppose 0, right? Now in starting the value of x is 0. Now here if the value is found, what I'll do, I'll change the value of x to from 0 to 1. I will change the value of x from 0 to 1 and then I will use break. I'll use break to terminate the loop. Break statement is a jump statement which is used to terminate the loop, right? Here break is used to terminate the loop. So I will terminate the loop. As soon as the value is found, loop will terminate, right? The value of x becomes 1 and loop will terminate here. Now after this, what I will do, after loop, after execution of the loop, again I'll check the condition. If x is double equals to 1, if x is double equals to 1, 1 means value found, 1 means value is found, right? 1 means value is found. So I'll display the message value found. I will use value found. Right now I will execute the program. Okay, 66 value found. Now if I again execute the program and say suppose I give 10, the value is not found, right? So this is the concept of searching, the linear search method. This is my linear search method. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, so please subscribe my channel, like my video, and please write the comment, and please write in a comment if you want some specific topic, so I will teach you that particular topic, right? Okay, thank you very much.